Hello guys!
Huwag na matigas yung
I have a new haircut
kayo dito.
and welcome to my bedroom. And I have a room.
Ay, bagay na bagay.
Gusto ko yan, Daddy. Sige, add the card.
Can you see this?
Ito din. Dali lang. Oh, ano ba? Ito pa, i-akit natin na. Ito. Oh, ito
Can I buy
din.
4?
Okay. Sige. Times 4.
Or agad, ano na?
Suha. Sa anak ko na hanggang ngayon, suha pa rin kinakain mo, anak. Ilagay mo naman. Oh, ito. Ayan. Oh.
Okay lang, pindot-pindot lang. Nakabili na tayo. Hindi na natin kailangan lumabas sa bahay.
Ano po ito? Isipin mo, nilay na traffic, hindi pa tayo nahirapan maghanap ng parking.
Tsaka nabayaran ko na rin pala through e-wallet. Kaya wala na tayong
Yeah.
problema.
Mukhang sa iyo,
That
alam ko
one.
na naman yan.
Siyempre,
Mommy and Daddy.
It has word.
After natin
It has
sa
red.
shopping, kumakain tayo.
Yes.
Yes!
I wanna eat.
Let's go!
Then how to clean it is like this. Put a rubber band and then
Bago tayo
Roll it
kumain,
here.
bumibili muna tayo ng drinks.
oh, yan. Ito na.
then
Hintay lang kayo. Ito, may
Like
drinks
this.
tayo dito. Si
Handa
Mommy
ang
pa.
mga
like that.
Then,
Like drink.
oo.
It's okay.
Gusto ba suha flavor?
I don't like that.
Ano?
Yeah, it's okay.
Daddy always likes to
Mga anak.
Oh, yan.
Haha.
Ikaw, Han, kinalimutan mo naman ako sa drinks.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you so much.
Kasi di ba, Mommy, Daddy, pagkatapos natin
Goodbye guys.
shopping, kakain tayo,
Remember,
drinks, tapos lagi akong may natatapon.
That's because you're clumsy. Look what you did. Now I don't have my toys. The laptop's broken.
this is
It's your fault. You're
welcome to my bedroom part 2. Then bye guys.